Urban Survival back. Today we got another Peak Refuel review. We got chicken teriyaki rice today. Nice. Hopefully this is good. I'm really excited about this one. Me and chicken, we're good friends, so hopefully I like this. Anyway, Peak Refuel, semi-new company to the dehydrated food world. They are known for, or what they're doing, different anyway. Extra protein, got 40 grams of protein. That's per pouch, not per serving. So we got 2 servings in here. Most of their pouches are all 2 servings, so 20 grams of protein per serving. Also, they got less sodium, no fillers, chemicals, just all, natural ingredients. Shorter cook time and less water to prepare. This calls for 10-minute cook time, 1 1/3 cup of hot boiling water. So, that's pretty good. You would save fuel if you're out, backpacking. Save water, which is always good. Save fuel. Heat in the water. Cook time, not a huge deal for me. I mean, how hungry do you have to be if you can't wait an additional 5 minutes for your meal? But not a huge deal. Now they got a sticker. I said in another video, they got a sticker of the nutrition facts over the old one, and I wasn't sure why. And then I remembered in other previous reviews I did, they didn't match up. The 1 serving and 2 serving, the math wasn't right. So say, for example, this would say 290, and then the 2 servings would say like 610. It wasn't doubled, so I guess they went ahead and corrected that. That's the reason for the stickers. You can see through it. I don't know if you can see underneath. It says nutrition facts down there under the old sticker. Anyhow, not a huge deal at all. All right, let's get her opened up. See what we got. All right. Wow. Whoa. Huh. Look at that. Do not eat. Get rid of those. All right. So look at that. See what I'm saying? Look at the carrots. Carrots. Teriyaki chicken chunks. Peppers. Beans. They're just all, look at that. Wow. Ooh. Smells like might have a little kick to it. Huh. Just the peppers. All right. Smells good. Looks good. Has chicken. Let's go ahead and get the water in there. Be careful. 1 1/3 cup. Boiling water. Get in the bottom real good. Give it a good stir. Mix it all up. Ooh. Hot, hot, hot. All right. I think we got her pretty stirred up. Close her up. Be careful you don't burn yourself closing it. And let's wait. Oh, you know what I didn't, I don't think I mentioned in this video? The trade-off. I don't know if you can see the date. It won't focus, right? 9/24. So they're only good for 5 years as opposed to, 25 to 30 years, which say Mountain House or another freeze-dried brand. That's the trade-off for without the chemicals and fillers and all that. Which, not bad. I mean, 5 years shelf life is still great for survival, emergency food storage and whatnot. Obviously camping, backpacking, all that, fishing, wherever you might be outside hunting, doesn't matter. I don't think you'd be keeping these nowhere near 5 years. Just buy them as you need them. But all right, let's wait 10 minutes and we'll be back. All right, so we're back. Been about 10 minutes. Been about, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds for you guys, but for me, 10 minutes. So let's get her opened up. Let's give it a stir. Let's give her a good stir. from the bottom and get all the sauce mixed in good. All right. Let me, interesting. All right. Get a plate. Smells tangy, like tangy green beans. That's about all it smells like. Let's get her out here. All right. So, supposed to be 2 servings. Let's see how that goes. It's about half. Yeah, it's a little closer than usual, but still, you could probably eat the whole pack, especially if you're out. Whatever. Backpacking, survival situation. So, not many calories either. The two servings would be 580 calories. So, yeah, I'd probably just go ahead and eat all that. All right. Let's, doesn't look much like the picture, though. I gotta say, the green beans aren't as green as they are in the picture. But let's try to get some peppers, carrots, chicken, rice, pepper. Ooh. Nice. Nice, tangy, zesty snap. When you, okay. Yeah. And teriyaki, soy sauce, ginger. Nice, tangy flavor. Be honest, a little sweet. A little too sweet for my taste. Try one more bite. It's not bad. I'd probably add a little salt. I know they're known for being low sodium, but wow. Very, very tangy. Let me see. Yeah, got teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, pineapple juice. That's what I'm tasting. Pineapple juice. Okay. Yeah. Too sweet. Leans more towards like the brown sugar and pineapple taste than like teriyaki sauce. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Sorry, I was reading the ingredients. Try one more bite. Yeah, the green beans. Let me try another one. Did I just get a bean? Green beans. Weird texture. I don't know. They rehydrated okay, but they still got like a rubbery, weird texture. You can bite through them. They're not hard, but I don't know. Let me see how the carrot is by itself. Carrot, opposite. Outside's a little rubbery. The inside's like too mushy. I don't know. Hate to say it. This is the first one of these that disappointed me. From Peak Refuel. Go ahead and give this 5. 5 out of 10. Not horrible by any means. Could you eat it and survive in a survival situation? Oh, yes, you can. Backpacking, camping? Sure. just a little, more than a little too sweet. At first, I liked the tangy zest. I was like, ooh, pretty nice. But then it creeps up and just sits in your mouth. That like pineapple, sugary, I don't know, pineapple brown sugar, just aftertaste. It's too sweet. So yeah, teriyaki chicken rice, Peak Refuel, 5 out of 10. Thanks for watching.